Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix external hard drive not showing up. Let's get started. First, check the basics. Make sure your hard drive is powered on. If it has an LED light, see if it's turned on. Try using different USB port or a different table, then check if it appears in File Explorer. If it still doesn't show up, open the search bar and type Disk Management, then click Create in Format Hard Disk Partition. Once it opens, scroll down and find your external drive. You can identify it by its storage size. If the drive has no letter assigned, right-click it and select Change Drive Letter and Paths, then click Add and choose a letter. Now check File Explorer again. It should appear. If the drive shows as unallocated, right-click it and select New Simple Volume, then follow the setup and click Finish. If the drive appears in Disk Management but still doesn't show in File Explorer, it may need to be formatted. Right-click the drive and select Format and complete the process. Formatting will erase all data, so only do this if the drive is empty or you don't need the files. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.